Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to clean a cast iron skillet. First, remove any large food particles by scraping them off with a spatula or a dedicated pan scraper. Next, rinse your skillet with hot water. For most routine cleaning, a stiff brush or a non-abrasive sponge will do the trick. Remember, it's best to avoid using soap unless absolutely necessary to preserve your skillet's seasoning. For stubborn, stuck-on food, try simmering a small amount of water in your skillet for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps loosen the debris. Alternatively, you can use coarse salt, like kosher salt, as a natural abrasive. Sprinkle a few tablespoons into the pan and scrub with a paper towel or a non-metal brush. This method effectively lifts away residue without damaging the seasoning. After cleaning, it's crucial to dry your cast iron skillet immediately and thoroughly to prevent rust. You can place it on low heat on the stove top for a few minutes until all moisture evaporates. Once dry, apply a very thin layer of cooking oil, like vegetable or grapeseed oil, over the entire surface. Then, heat the skillet again for about 10 minutes to properly set the seasoning. To maintain your cast iron skillet for years, always store it in a dry place, perhaps with a paper towel inside to absorb any residual moisture and prevent rust. Reseasoning periodically, especially after heavy use or deep cleaning, will keep its non-stick properties and protect the metal. Remember, a well-cared-for cast iron skillet can last generations. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.